So first, kind of tell me what areas you would like to treat with CoolSculpting.
Yeah, so I'm interested more in like the lower abdomen area.
Okay.
I feel like no matter how many sit-ups, no matter how much exercise, I still have that like
Pooch.
Yeah, that little pooch. Yeah. So I really want to treat that.
Yeah.
And then, you know, my flanks, I would like to treat that
love
as well.
handles.
Yeah, little love handles that I have. Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah. Those are the most common areas we treat with CoolSculpting. And I love treating that area because it's just kind of a nice cohesive look to the area. You'll feel a difference in your clothes. Basically what we're doing is we're losing inches in the area. So you won't be losing weight by any means. So CoolSculpting doesn't replace regular diet, exercise, day-to-day activities. It's just losing those inches. That's why it's perfect for the love handles, the pooch. So that's why it's the most common area. What we're doing is we're freezing the fat cells to -11 degrees. They die a couple days after your treatment, and then your body just starts to naturally get rid of those fat cells. So it does take a couple months to see your max results, just because it's a little bit per day with the fat cells. Okay. And you can actually equate it to like one French fry amount is how much you're losing per day. So that's why it takes a couple months. We are going to treat the area 2 times. I usually space those about a month apart. And after that, it actually takes about 3 months to see your max result after that second session of treatment. Now, you will start to see some change after your first session. I don't expect to see a lot. Once you come in for that second session is really when you start to see that reduction happening, okay? So that's kind of the science behind it, literally freezing fat cells and your body just gets rid of it. So what's not to like with that? So now, as far as how it's gonna feel, so there is no downtime with CoolSculpting. We are permanently removing fat cells with it, so you would think there would be some form of downtime, but there's really not. So once we're freezing the fat cells to -11 degrees, the nerves in the area in your skin literally just shut off, so you do go numb throughout the treatment. So that numbness can last for a couple weeks. So you're looking at about 2 to 3 weeks of numbness. It's not anything you'll really notice unless you touch the area, but you'll be aware that it is numb. The feeling always comes back after those initial couple weeks, okay? So that's kind of the main side effect. It's very normal to be a little sore, especially on the abdomen. It almost feels like a muscle soreness for a couple days afterwards, but you don't need to stop anything you're doing as far as diet, exercise, day-to-day work, nothing like that.
Good to hear.
Yeah. So just some numbness, a little bit of soreness, normal to have a little bit of swelling in that area as well. A couple days and then you'll be good to go. So we'll take some photos, we'll take them before each treatment, and then that's how we'll be able to show your reduction. Throughout this process with CoolSculpting, so because it doesn't replace any diet and exercise, it's really important for you to maintain your weight throughout this process. That way we can really see the reduction. You can expect about 20 to 30% deficit in the fat cells in the area that we're treating. And that looks a little different per person, but that just kind of equates to losing inches in the area, okay? Especially in the lower abdomen and the love handles that we'll be treating today.
Okay.